Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable and turn off images from being displayed on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the three-dotted icon up to the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select where it says Privacy and Security. And then on the right side, underneath Privacy and Security, select where it says Site Settings. And then scrolling down underneath the Content section, you want to select where it says Images. And then select Don't Allow Sites to Show Images. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.